Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI OFM to mass comment on Facebook posts and redirect traffic too. This is the software dashboard. The first thing you will see is the account management section. This is where I manage multiple Facebook accounts in one place. To make the process safer and more stable, I attach a proxy to each account. That means every account uses a different IP address, which helps make the activity look more natural. After preparing the accounts, the next step is choosing the post, reel, or ad that you want to comment on. You just need to copy the Facebook post link and paste it into the commenting feature. Now we move to the comment setup. This is where AI OFM becomes powerful. Instead of using the same comment again and again, you can prepare multiple comment variations or use AI-generated comments. This helps make each account look different and reduces repetition. For example, instead of posting one generic comment, the system can rotate different styles like curiosity comments, engagement comments, question-based comments, or soft call-to-action comments. The goal here is not just a comment. The goal is to attract attention and redirect traffic. You can guide people to check your profile, reply to your comment, send you a message, or click the link in your bio or funnel. Next, you can set the number of accounts running at the same time, the delay between actions, and the number of comments per account. Once everything is ready, simply select the accounts and click Start. The software will open each browser session, log into the selected Facebook accounts, and begin commenting based on the script you created. Each account works separately, and the software follows the settings you prepared before. This method is very useful if you want to boost engagement on a target post, dominate the comment section, and pull more traffic into your marketing system. For OFM, this is a simple way to create attention at scale. Instead of doing everything manually, you can automate the process and focus on converting the traffic that comes in. If you want more details about the software or want to test this workflow for your business, contact me through Telegram or WhatsApp. All contact details are in the description below.